Aloha. Thank you, Kimo. Thank you for having me amongst my peers. I'm nervous up here because I'm usually not the chanter. Yeah, Mama always said, shut your mouth. But you gotta do what you gotta do. And hats off to these ladies for not dancing, but today they gotta dance with this witch over here. And I'm very old school. So when we do on the right, we gotta do on the left. And when you get to your left side, you kind of go kukuluku, yeah? Because hard to figure out where you're going. On top of that, I was told it's beginners, but my mind cannot think beginners. So each verse has a different step. That never helped them either. But anyway, they did the best they possibly could. Ladies, thank you for the opportunity. Sorry I was kind of witch a little bit. But I want you to look good, yeah? But you're going to do the best you possibly can. Enjoy the moment and let your heart hula. Okay, my dears? Okay, we're going to try. Enjoy Keaunani. Kahai lo kahi olu olu ha ahonui aloha ai hopuka e kalama kahikina ho'opuka hopuka e kalama kahikina me kaua ka ihele no kumukai ha'amaina iwa mehi iaka me kapolaka i ka ulu vehi ne e maina iwa makuualo me ke alo kapu o ke a hiva huli ho ino me ke kapu me na ali e ola mako ua mau e ala hai ala ia he no hia ke i ka polia o pele.
Mai, i ke ia mele, he mo'olelo no ke aunani.
Iluna la iluna na manu o ka lewa. Iluna la iluna na manu o ka lewa. Ilalo la ilalo na pua o ka honua. Ilalo la ilalo na pua o ka honua. Iuka la iuka na ulu forest au. Iuka la iuka na ulu la au. Ikai la ikai na ia o ka moana. Ikai la ikai na ia o ka moana. Haina mai ka puana a he nani ke au nei. Haina mai ka puana a he nani ke au nei. Lava.
He mele no o ke aunani.
He mele no ke aunani. Ai hoi no e ke kapu hai. Hoi no e ke kapu nge na ali. E ola ma koua maulo wala. Hoi no ho e ke kapu nge na ali. E ola ma koua maulo wala. Hoi no ho e ke kapu nge na ali. E ola ma kouli. Hoi no ho e ke kapu nge na ali. E ola ma koua a maulo wala ai alai a. He no hia ka i ka pole ope. He no nali i. Ala mai ka la hui launa he